tired of waking up, but I've forgotten how it feels to love and to be loved, to know that I'm alive. If I hurt myself tonight, the world will keep on turning, as it always has, and always will.